Hi guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I'll be talking about what Bitcoin has been doing for the past few days and what can we expect from it on the next days to weeks. And also I'll be talking and showing you how are the bots doing. All right, so let's jump in. Well, here we are on a weekly chart. We can see that Bitcoin is going down. If we go into the daily, we can see that some damage has been done since the 18th of September. And it looks like we're going to try to hit again this golden ratio at around 107, 108. Definitely, I think it's going to hit that price, if not during the weekend, at the very beginning of next week. And then we will see what happens. The best scenario would be a double bottom. Basically, a double bottom, for those of you who don't know it, is when the price hits twice more or less around the same price, then we can expect a very good recovery. If not, if we go through it, the next stop is going to be around 105 to 102. Now, can Bitcoin go down there? Definitely. That's why I made a video a few days ago, almost like a week and a half or 2 weeks ago, saying that if the price goes that low, I will be opening new bots to catch the way up. But yeah, you can see the bots right now. They are almost all of them in red. Instead, unless the Solana bot, that one's still going, giving us profits. But the rest of the bots are in red. Now, is that bad? Well, no, because basically what they're doing is they are buying at a cheaper price. So the moment the price goes again to the upside, all the buys that are being done at these prices that make my bots to be 10% and in the loss and 6.33, 35% on losses, that will give me a very good profits the moment this turns around. And I'm actually buying cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper every time. Also, on every single little bounce that we've got, the grid bots are adding. So as you can see here, SUI is giving me almost a 24% loss since entry to actual price, but I have an 11% profit on the grid. So that makes just 12.8% loss when the price has actually gone down way much. So again, the moment the prices turn around, these will get higher and these will go into the green, making the total very nice. Now, fear, the market is on fear right now. You can see 34. Is the market over? Is the bull market over? Is the price of Bitcoin and everything else just going to keep dropping and dropping until 2027? Well, let's take a look at a few things first. This is the Bitcoin monthly returns, and you can see what September is just a merely 1.24% on the green, but just check at the months of October since 2013. There's been only 2 red months, and none of them was a 4th year on the cycle. Yeah. So 2017 is a post-halving year, 2021 is a post-halving year, and you can see 39.93 in 2021 and 47.81 in 2017. Now, can we expect a 30 or 40% in October? That would be amazing, but it is not likely that we will have a red October. It is very likely that we're going to have a green October. Now, if we take a look at what let's say 25% price going up for Bitcoin from where we are, that puts us around $137,000 for Bitcoin. And you can see here that, yeah, on post-halving years, 40%, 2017, 47.81%. So even if we take I don't know, let's take a bad month, not the worst ones, but just like a 15, 20%, just 15, 20%. Let's take 18%. Yeah, 18% gives us a higher high at 130,000. So definitely we can expect in October have a good month, unless something happens, a black swan event on the macro markets happens. And that will be like a war or something to go with Trump and tariffs. You never know. But yeah, we can expect a green month of October. So I don't care that my bots are on the red because they are buying. The only thing I care of is if the price goes below my range. If the price goes below my range, I have two options. I can either wait until the price goes back into the range, or I can open a new bot. But that's up to everyone, and depending how much money you have idle on your wallet waiting to be deployed. More things that we can take a look. Liquidations levels. We can see definitely there's a lot of money to be liquidated at around the 106,500. So again, this can just do like this, tick, liquidate all these people and then come back. We also can see it here. There's a big liquidation waiting to happen at 106,700 and another one, the biggest one, at 107,300. That is very close to this, as you can see. 107,256. That's my lowest range for the golden ratio. So yeah, a little bit of on the downside can be expected, and then a bounce, and let's go up to make some more money. You can see the liquidations that had happened during this week. There were $2.99 billion liquidated for longs on September the 22nd, and yesterday we had $1 billion liquidated. When we have big liquidations for the lows, usually the price finds a bottom and then bounces back up. So another thing that we can see is that the trading volume on exchanges is kicking up, not very much, but is on the right path. So if in October, as almost every single October for the past 10-15 years keeps going up, that will be bullish for the price. So yeah, and also it's the market, is the bull market finish. Well, this is one thing. This is the exponential moving average, the simple moving average of 50 weeks. And you can see, you can see here that it gets hit, works as a support, and then the price moves, bounces back. Now we're a little bit farther, and the price right now is at 99,000, but this is a moving target. This is going to keep going higher for the next weeks. The only time that the bull market is over, and you can see it here, is when the price closes below the 50-week moving average, and after 2 weeks or 3 weeks of being below the 50, then we have the bear market and everything is done for a year. So is it over? Not yet. Not yet. Can we go lower on the next weeks, close below, and then bear market? It can happen, but it's not likely, since, again, October and November are good months post-halving years. So we can expect 1 or 2 more months, maximum 2, of a bullish price, and then we'll be over. So yeah, are we suffering during this week because we have a red candle and prices are going below? Yes, we are. Can we expect a bounce? Definitely. Is it 100% guarantee? No, but it's very likely. So let's just wait for the next few days for the price to hit this bounce. If it doesn't bounce, again, 102, it's the lowest range that I think we can hit and then head up. The 102 would be because we're doing an ABC correction. An ABC correction is ABC. So that's why it could happen. After an ABC, then usually we have a 5 waves recovery. But I'm hoping 107, 106 will be the bottom for the next 5 to 10 days. And after that, we bounce and we go up. On the meantime, our bots are trading. Again, yes, they're on the red, but because they're buying at a cheaper price, and the moment the price goes back up, the total amount will be very green. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are on the green, but probably you are not. So I hope you get on the green on the next 10 to 15 days. I will be making more videos, like 2-3 videos a week, because I'm very busy with another project that I have on my hands. And yeah, if you have any questions, as usual, post them. I always answer every comment that I get on the videos. And I will see you in the next one.